All right, guys. This is practically what's happening there. It's leaking all over the place, as you can see. It's leaking in 3 different spots. The filter sucks. I believe it's Waterway or whatever that thing is called. It's stupid. Doesn't work well at all. It's been here way too long. So to make a long story short, we're going to try to replace it. We're going to attempt to replace it. And it created far more work for me than I needed. As you can see, it blew a massive amount of sand in the pool. It's going to take me probably a day or two to get all of that stuff out with the help of the robot and also hand vacuuming it. So let me get to work further so I can actually swap this out before it gets dark on me. Let's go. What's up, everyone? It's your boy Stan with Stanley's Reviews, and I'm having a huge problem with my pool right now. As of right now, my filter back there is definitely went bad on me. It broke. So to make a long story short, I'm gonna show you guys what happens when your laterals break. And this filter is pretty old. It's hard to find parts from it. It's from Clearwater or Clearway, whatever the stupid name of that stupid filter is. It's been a thorn on my side since forever. So today I decided I'm gonna replace that. But before that, I'm gonna showcase to you guys what transpired there and how it went bad. This is probably gonna be the 3rd time I've replaced laterals in this filter. So it's time for it to go. And I'll show you the new replacement also. And I'll put the link on the new replacement in the description below as well. So let me get to the video further and showcase to you guys what's happening there. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys. This is practically what's happening there. It's leaking all over the place, as you can see. It's leaking in 3 different spots. The filter sucks. I believe it's Waterway or whatever that thing is called. It's stupid. Doesn't work well at all. It's been here way too long. So to make a long story short, we're going to try to replace it. We're going to attempt to replace it. And it created far more work for me than I needed. As you can see, it blew a massive amount of sand in the pool. It's going to take me probably a day or two to get all of that stuff out with the help of the robot and also hand vacuuming it. So let me get to work further so I can actually swap this out before it gets dark on me. Let's go. And this is what I'm going to be replacing it with. This is a Hayward ProSeries. I'll give you the model number in a second. This is a Hayward ProSeries S210. This is 200 pounds of sand, 50 pounds per bag in each bag, so it should be 4 bags in there. Came in that box. That's the top control unit. I actually have it placed right there. So I'm gonna grab some tools and get going on this change. Hopefully I don't get too wet. Let's get to the video further. And if you like this kind of content, don't hesitate to hit the like button and share with your friends as well. Let's go. All right. We're gonna get going. Got my tools ready. So let's go. Took out the waste. And for the record, this tool is on Amazon as well. I'll leave the link in the description below as well. I'll be replacing the heads because it didn't come with it. So each one of them has to be replaced, including this one. So that's what I'm working on right now as we speak. I disconnected the pipes already, and I don't know what that powder thing is because I didn't install this, but that's pretty much a dud right there. So all my heads are attached. You just got to use this little plumber's tape around every single head. This is the old heads right here. This is a new one, and this is also the old head that came off this stupid filter thingy. So all my heads are attached. Now it's time to take this apart, take the water out, take the sand out, and let's get to work.
Ghosting.
Draining the filter completely out before I can actually remove it and place this bad boy in there and put sand in it. This bad boy over here takes 100 pounds of sand and should do the job with no problem whatsoever, and it won't push any sand into the pool at all. So what I'll do is get this taken care of in order to vacuum the interior of the pool while the filter is not running, because that will agitate the sand and cause it to move and create far more work for me than need be. Actually, I placed the bags of sand in there. You can see it's 3 bags so far. Nice and snug. This should be good. Everything is good so far. Get rid of this. So the next step is to put the top on and connect everything and see if we're in business. I'm gonna test it to see if we're in business as well.
Ghosting.
Took out the little plug for the valve control. Now we're about to install the little valve. All right, boom. We're in there. So just like that, we got the valve in there. So now the waistline is set up differently. So I'll just have to run it in a different direction after my installation. So now we're almost in business. All right, I'm able to put the collar on, the PSI monitor, the gauge. Almost everything's back on. It's just a matter of firing it up in a little bit. So I have to connect these pipes and get it running just to see what I did and how I went about doing it. So it's almost over. Let's get all these plugs put in and let's see if we can power it on and see what happens there. All right, let's go. All right, here's the moment of truth. Everything's plugged in. I have a little leak right there, which means I have to stop what I'm doing to tighten that up. So I'll go ahead and get that done. I actually have a couple leaks here and there. So this top one has to be tightened up. This bottom one has to be tightened up. And this is my pool, pushing out water, clear water that is, instead of sand. See that? Very clean and clear water. No more sand in there. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe as well to the channel as well. Every tool that I've used will be in the description below, including this filter here that I just purchased, which is the Hayward S210. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends as well. I'll catch you guys on the next one.